Hey guys, what's up? Sup Rattle here, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Sachs Mars Yard boots. So let's get into this video. So overall, the packaging is really incredible. There's a lot of cool stuff like the periodic table and the shoe wrapping, and these awesome insoles. So the inside of the shoe is actually the original 2.0 Sachs moon shoe. So so you can actually see it in there, inside, because that's the actual shoe in there. It has that. This shoe is incredibly well built. This is definitely waterproof stuff. And it's just such a cool, collector shoe. And I think it's awesome in my opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. And also stay tuned for the Travis Scott Cactus Jack Air Jordan 1 unboxing, which will be posted soon also.